I'm Jeff Stiles, owner of Stiles of Ohio, and today we're going to talk about timed mud. Timed mud is a powdered mud that is formulated to set under a certain time. You could buy it 5-minute, 20-minute, 45-90, on up to 220 or more. What you need to use is clean water, a 5-inch drywall knife, and your drywall pan. I take my drywall mud out and put it into a bucket because it's easier to access and also keeps it dry from any elements if I'm carrying it to another job site. Get the top of it fluffy. Never get water in there because it'll create little chunks. So first, with clean, cool water, I put in the corner edge of my pan. Bring the pan below the lip of the bucket, and I'm going to get 2 large scoops without dipping my knife into the water because I don't want water again on the knife that brings it into the bucket. 2 large scoops of drywall mud. At this point, cover up the mud so no water gets in there. Slowly work the water and the mud together. Now I made it to this point to show you to add water. You never want to add more drywall mud because it will clump. So you add a bit more water to keep it working and mixing. The advantages of this type of mud is that you can mix it to your desired consistency. You may want it thick so you can repair a ceiling and it doesn't drop out. You can repair it a little bit thinner for taping purposes. Also, it will set under the allotted time that the bag states, and you could do multiple coats in one day. Be aware that the timing on the mud is also relative to whether or not you use clean water. If you use water where you mix your tools before, it will cause the product to prematurely set. Also, if you use warmer water, it will cause it to set a little bit quicker.